Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Laura with Stitching with Laura. How's everybody doing? I hope everyone is having a great day. Well, today as you can see we have another embagging. That means we have another review. Let's find out what is in the bag. Oh, I see it cross-stitched. Surprise! Just kidding. Alright, so this is from the SevenGreat store. If they have any specials or if I have any discount codes, it'll be right in here and in the description box below. So we have a kit, and this is going to be part 1. Part 2 will be this afternoon. So let's take a look inside the bag. Does come in the lovely Joy Sunday bag. It's practically indestructible. All right, look at that tiger. Is he not cool? He looks like kind of watercolory, like around the edges where the paint has dripped down. It is 14 count, 62 by 44. I love his eyes. Look at the teal in his eyes. Oh my goodness. This says Tiger 7. Didn't know that there were 1 through 6. Oh, I do had a long time ago, I think it was a Joy Sunday, of a tiger side profile. So there's one that I know of. But yeah, I just thought the colors were absolutely stunning in this. This is going to be so cool. Does come with a printed pattern, if I could get a hold of it. Very nicely printed. Let's take a look at the colors. That's the big part. Gotta turn it right side up though. So it has 2 sets of numbers. The top numbers go with the paper pattern and the bottom goes with the canvas. So we have a total of 64 colors. We have full stitch, half stitch, there's only 1 of those, and 3 colors in back stitch. We have 310 black, 321 red, let's see, anything else I know? No, 550 purple, we have 553. Let's see, 814 and 815, those are both brick colors. No, 939 or 823. We have 3799, which is that pewter color. It's kind of a dark charcoal-ish looking. And we're using 3865 and B5200 for your whites. So very nice. There is a wide variety of colors. It is 300 by 200, and this pattern booklet is separated out into 8 sections. So yeah, this ought to be a challenge and a half. Not sure if it's full stitch or not, but oh yeah. Well, no, we still don't know, but let's keep looking at the pattern. So the back stitch is his whiskers. So that's not too horrible. I don't see any on the flowers yet. Nope. And just a little bit around his eyes and a little bit around his ears. So nominal back stitching. Did it have? I'm lost. No, it has a half cross stitch. I was thinking, where's the French knots? You know, you're so programmed to thinking everything has French knots in it. But very nicely done, very well printed. Easy to see all that back stitching, which is kind of nominal for something this size. Okay, which just thrills me to no end, because the least I have to do, the better, right? Alright, let's get out the threads. You have 3 thread cards. You have 2 needles. Does come on that special card Hopefully you can see that. The red numbers are how many strands you have. Then below that is the DMC number, and then the thread card number. Let's get it all taken apart. I expect this to be very confetti, so we'll see. Kind of a burgundy color. Look at that. It's like a peachish orange. And B5200 and 3865. You can barely tell the difference between them, but that's okay. Let me get my hand in there. There's that charcoal color that I was telling you about, and the pinks and the oranges, purple, grays. Not sure what color that is. It's like a medium red plum. Don't know how else to explain it. Sometimes I just can't explain colors. There's those two brick colors that I was telling you about. Then we have some oranges and blues. Just beautiful, beautiful colors. And all those flowers and the tiger. He's the main event. I can get it undone. Jeez, everybody was all mashed together. We have blues and purples. Kind of a, I don't know what that color is. You judge for yourself. Kind of a yellow with just a tad a bit of orange to it. Beautiful, beautiful colors. And then on this side, there's your B5200. I mean, your 310 black. Holy cow. Here's your Christmas red, 321 and 347. So there's lots of blues, grays, blacks, browns. And then you have the rainbow colors. So lots and lots of colors in that. Beautiful. Just stunning. Way to go, Joy Sunday. Love it. All right, put that up there. Did I tell you that this was $17.11? Oh, nice light canvas. Oh, yeah. Let me see if I can get it undone. Everybody's sticking together. Well, oh, a nice big key on the bottom. Sometimes when they put that key in, the key in that paper pattern for the canvas, I think it's going to be really small, but not at all. It goes all the way across the bottom. And on this corner, you have your back stitching. And then right here, you have your 1 half cross stitch. So, let me see. Oh my goodness, that thing is driving me batty. So that half cross stitch is going to be kind of shadowy colors. Or that background all the way around. And it's done in 3865. Okay. But nicely, get it folded up so we can see. Nicely printed, no smudging, no smearing, no wet canvas. Love it. Just very, very nice. And easy to see. Might not have as much confetti as you think. Things look like they're in rivers of color. Oh, it's going to have its hot moments, believe me. It can't be this big and not. So very nicely done. It does have the product number and numbers and the title at the top. And on the side, it tells you that it's 300 by 200. So, nice size. But I think this will be nice to stitch on. Yeah, I can't hardly wait to start. Let me put those scissors away before they drop on my foot. I was going to measure this. It is serged around because it's Joy Sunday and that's what they do. Very nice, lightweight canvas too. 63 centimeters or 24 1/4 inches by 40, a little over 44 centimeters, or almost 17.5 inches. Actual picture size is almost 14.5 inches, or a little over 36.5 centimeters by, if I can get a hold of it, 54 centimeters, or a little over 21.25 inches. So very nicely done. Just absolutely love this. I don't know where I'd start first. Probably the tiger. I don't know, because you know me, I like to stitch on both the flowers and the tiger. So we'll just have to wait and see until 1 o'clock today. That's when we're going to have part 2. You fold that up, but I can't believe how lightweight that canvas is, and it's very, see how thin it is? But very pliable, very soft, smooth. Typical Joy Sunday canvas. Just gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous. Now, 7Great only has cross stitch. They do not have diamond painting or paint by number. And they also, they also have beaded cross stitch. And they always have great prices and great service. They will send you the tracking number so that you know that your product has been shipped, and you can keep track of it while it's in the system. It's awesome. Just awesome. Do check them out. And they always have a great variety, too. You know, I'm kind of surprised for a newer company to me. I don't know how long they've been in business, but they're doing a great job. So I'm really liking them. Thank you, 7Great, for this gorgeous, gorgeous kit. You know we're going to have to start this afternoon. All right. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. And please hit the bell. That way you'll know when my next video comes out. Stay safe. Stay healthy. We'll see you next time. God bless. Bye-bye. Keep stitching.